Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to save money? Let me show you how Cash App's roundoff feature can help you save spare change automatically. So what is this Save Roundup? A Save Roundup features automatically round up your cash card purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference in your Cash App savings account. It is the easiest way to save small amounts without thinking about it. So here's how to enable and use the Save Roundup. For that, open Cash App. Launch the app and sign in. Next, go to the Banking tab. Tap the banking icon, which is usually a bank or house account, and then select Save. Tap Saves or Savings, and fourth step is turn on the rounding up. Find the roundup toggle and switch it off. Fifth step is start saving automatically. From now on, your purchase will round up and the spare changes will be saved. And here are some tips for you. You can combine Save Roundup with Boost for extra savings. You can check your savings balance regularly, and you can manually add more to your savings account anytime. And that's it. Start saving today with Cash App. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more money saving hacks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.